Hi everyone, Namaste. Welcome to another episode of Soul Speak with Sonam. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to support me and encourage me and to help get my message across to more people. If you are returning, then thank you so much for your love and encouragement. And in my previous video, I had asked you to guess a number on this card between 20 to 40, and the correct number is 35. So whoever answered 35 is going to get a free mini reading from me. I'll get in touch with you. And today I'm back with a pick a card reading where I'm going to ask you to think of a yes or no question, and I'm going to tell you what is the probability of that thing happening, whether it's a yes, a no, or a maybe. As usual, you can get in touch with me for a private session by sending me an email. The details are in the description box. You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook for daily tarot guidance and lots more. Don't forget to check out my other videos, and thank you for all your, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'm also going to pick one lucky winner from this video, and they will get a free mini reading as always. So to win a free mini reading this time, what you have to do is you have to, of course, subscribe to my channel and comment on my video. You have to let me know how much this message resonated with you, and if I like your message, I'm going to pick you for a free reading. So go ahead and pick a card, and then I'll tell you what it means. Hello, welcome back. So I'm hope that you have thought of a yes or no question. Anything that you've been thinking of, anything that you want an answer on, whether this will happen or not, whether this person will contact me or not, and let's see. So we begin with all the people who have chosen this green stone, this beautiful turquoise green stone. So let's see what your answer is. So, Spirit, tell me the answer for everyone who's picked greenstone. Ooh, this quickly fell out. Okay, the card that I have for you is called Intensity. I'm going to pick one more card from this other deck, and yes, these are both fire energy cards. So a lot of you might be either a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or you might be dealing with a fire sign. That is what I can see. If you look at the energy in both these cards, there's a lot of orange, there's a lot of red, there's a lot of yellow. So this is all fiery energy. This is someone with a lot of passion. So yes, your answer to your question is yes. Whatever you're thinking is very likely to happen. However, there are a couple of things that I want you to note. The yes, whatever it is that you're waiting for, whatever question you asked in your mind, this is going to come to you at a very fast speed. This is going to come to you with a lot of intensity. So you might have to take some quick decisions. Secondly, this card is also asking. So a lot of you, I feel that most of you who picked the green one was probably thinking of a third person, someone else. They were thinking about someone else, because I can see both these are court cards. So this is about other people. So your question could have been related to someone else. Maybe you asked, do they like me, or will they come back, or whatever it was that you asked. So yes, this person has a lot of passion for you, because these both cards denote a lot of passion, a lot of interest, and a lot of fast moving energy is what I can see. As you can see in the intensity, it's moving at a very fast speed in this card. And look at the Queen of Wands. I just love this card. Look at her. She's so happy. She's so passionate. She's just doing what she wants. Look at her. She's so happy. She doesn't care what other people are thinking. So you be you. You do what you want. You are also being asked to follow your passions. So of course, there is a very big yes is what I'm getting for whatever you asked, and I'm so happy for all the people who picked the green one, and also you being to just follow your passions and just be you and not care about what other people are thinking. Maybe some of you, the question that you ask could be a little unconventional, or something where you may not receive support from a lot of people, or this could be a block that you have. However, this card tells me that you don't have to worry about anybody else. Just do what you feel like. And same goes for your person. I do feel that they just, if it was about a person, I just feel that they're just going to go, they like this about you. They like the fact that you're very confident and you're very passionate, you're very driven, and this is all the energy that I can get from this card. I mean, just see this card, it's just so lovely. I just love this card. Also probably because I'm a Sagittarian, so this card really appeals to me. In the description box, do let me know if you are a fire sign or if you're dealing with a fire sign, or there could be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, in a very important house in your chart. It could be your moon sign, your rising sign, or ascendant. So just check that out. Let me know in the comments. Your guidance is to just solitude. So I do feel that because a lot of you are following your passions, you may not have received a lot of support from the people around you, but you don't need to worry about that. Just continue doing what you're doing. Solitude is not bad. In fact, the cards are guiding you to spend some time in solitude, and I do feel that doing that will bring you what you want. I hope this resonated, and if this gave you hope, or if this reading made you feel better, or it resonated in any way, please do let me know in the comments below. If you leave a comment below and if you tell me how much it resonated, you win a chance to win a free mini card pull in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And now we move to all the people who had picked this blue stone. So for everyone who picked this blue stone, let's see what your cards have in store. And again, I'm giving you some time to think of a yes and no question if you haven't already done that. So just think of a yes and no question, and I'm going to tell you how likely it is to manifest. Okay, so off the top of my head, what I'm getting for all of you is what the answer to your yes or no question could be a no. It could be a no. However, hear me out. What I'm sensing is that this is probably the end of a cycle or something. You're trying to end a cycle in your life. The reason I'm getting a very strong feeling that whatever you have asked for, the answer is no, because you have not yet ended this cycle. So if you choose to end this cycle, you can turn this no into a yes. What I mean to let me just explain what I mean. I do feel that this no that I have received for all the people who have picked the blue stone has to do with the fact that you're still stuck in a cycle which is not doing you a lot of good, or a cycle which is not helping you anymore. This could have been some baggage from the past that you're carrying. Look at this person. She's carrying this baggage from the past. She's traveling, but she's not traveling lightly. She's not traveling freely. She has so much baggage to carry with her. This is not just physical baggage, but in your case, I feel that it is emotional baggage. You might have been hurt by someone in the past and you're still carrying that baggage. Alternatively, I feel that a lot of you could be holding on to someone from your past. Someone who maybe at the back of your mind, you know that this cycle was not working for you and this was not right for you. And at the same time, you're not ready to end this cycle because it was in your comfort zone and out of habit. So I do feel that unless you decide to end this cycle, this is a no for you. Whatever you asked is no. The way to make it a yes is to end this cycle and to go into some solitude. So this is also the Hermit card of the deck, and this aloneness. So very interesting thing, if you notice, being alone is by choice. Being lonely is when you don't have anybody, when you want people. But being alone is by choice, and it's not necessarily a bad thing. For one, I just love spending time alone with myself, even though I'm a very social person. I'm a Sagittarian, but yet I just love spending time alone. I just love doing things on my own. So this could also be asking you to take a back step from the people around you and spend some time in introspection, thinking about what is it that you want in life and what changes you need to make inside you. We all know that the more inner work we do, the faster, the closer we get to our dreams. So I do feel that your answer is no for now, until and unless you decide to work on yourself. So if you decide to take some time, go deep within yourself to deal with the issues that are that you're facing, or to find to find more deeper answers and to figure out what is it that you want, or if you end this difficult cycle, then you can change this into a yes. I also see, if you were asking about a past person returning, for those of you who had picked the blue stone and your question was, if I see a past person returning in your life, I do feel that no, you need to end this cycle and then a new person is going to enter your life. This might not resonate with everyone, but I strongly feel that for a select group of people this will resonate. This could also denote that you are The sun signs that I see a very strong Virgo energy, and I also sense some water energy and some air. Water is Cancer, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, and air is Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. So if this is your sign or your person's sign, do let me know in the comments below. I hope this resonated with you. I'm also going to pull out one guidance card for you to see illumination. So there is going to be something which is going to be illuminated to you in the near future, and this could be to do with the fact that you realize that your current path is not helping you and you need to end this cycle. This could be your aha moment. This could be the idea that you suddenly get in the near future. So keep your eyes peeled for this information to come hit you. This is very important. And if you do end this cycle, you will get to this new beginning here. This need not be a love offer. This can be absolutely a fresh start in life. This can be anything. This can just be you feeling emotionally secure after a really long time. If this resonated with you, or if this reading made you feel better, please do let me know in the comments below. Let me know how much this reading resonated with you, if any of the sun signs or anything at all made sense. It really helps me, it really encourages me to make more videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And now we get to the third part of the video, and for all of those who picked this white stone, let me see what is your answer in your yes no question. So if you have not yet thought of a yes no question, do think of that. Let me see. Okay, I get the answer for you is a maybe. I do feel that a lot of you will be confused between two choices. Let me draw a clarifying card to see what I get. I do feel that you have the answer to your question is maybe, because one of the choices that you have, so there are two options in front of you, and one of the options that you have is the devil card. So this is a toxic energy. This is something that keeps pulling you back in its cycle. You at a subconscious level or at a conscious level know that this option is not right for you. You know that this person or this particular situation keeps you in a continuous cycle and it's not letting you progress in life, and you need to let go of this. And yet I feel that you're not able to end this because it's not so easy to work with our demons, right? So I do feel that your answer is a maybe, but let me just draw one more card to see. Okay, I do feel that whatever situation it is that you were asking about, as I said, there are two options here. One of them is the wrong choice, and there is a person who is a fire sign, an Aries, Leo, or a Sagittarius, possibly a female person, someone you look up to, someone who's like a mentor or a guide to you. It can be absolutely anyone, like a teacher, and it could be a relative, it could be a random person on YouTube, it could be a tarot reader, it could be a friend, it could be a classmate, colleague, anyone. This person is going to show you or help you choose the best option. So I do feel that your answer is maybe, because there is the energy of this person here, which is a sort of a toxic energy, and unless you deal with the demons, I do feel that you will be stuck in this place for some time where you're not able to move forward or back. I do feel that you will be confused between two options, or rather, if not confused, you might feel that you're stuck, you're not moving forward, you're not moving backward, and you're not getting a clear answer, just like the cards are not giving you a clear answer. So I do feel that your answer is maybe, that this could be to do with the situation or a relationship or any sort of equation in life which is very toxic, which this card often denotes some sort of an addiction. So some people, they smoke, they know it's not good for their health, but still they're not able to give up their habit. So that is the kind of energy that I associate with the devil card, which basically says that there is something that you need to give up. It could be a toxic situation or a habit, an attitude, anything. It's wrong for you. It could be anger, it could be procrastination, absolutely anything. You are the best person to know what this is, but at the same time, you're not able to do it. And until you do this, you will be stuck in this place. But I do feel this person coming forward and helping you deal with this could be a fire sign. I also sense a lot of Capricorn energy here, so a lot of you might be Capricorns, or you could be dealing with the Capricorn. Let me see. So I usually don't like giving maybe readings because it does not give you a lot of clarity, but I'm not getting a clear answer for this group of people who picked the white stones. I'm doing the best that I can. You do have a lot of financial abundance coming to you in the near future. I do feel that you've been working hard towards some sort of financial dream, maybe a job, a promotion, or something, a hike or something like that, and that is coming in the future. It may not be related to the yes or no question that you asked, but this is just something that I'm getting for you. You do have some good things coming in the future, but first I feel that you need to get rid of this toxic situation or whatever equation that you're finding yourself in. This is something, could be a habit or an attitude. You are addicted to it. This is a sort of addiction. In some relationships, this could be an equation where the other person is using you for something, or you know that there's no future here, or there's no actual emotional connect here, but you are unable to move on from this relationship. If this resonated with you, or if this helped you in any way, or if anything matched, please let me know in the comments below. It really encourages me a lot, and I might choose you for a free one card pull in my next video. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much. And now we move to the last bit of the video, where I'm going to choose everyone who picked this light greenish blue color, this light green stone. So let's see what is the answer to your yes or no question. So I hope you've thought of a yes no question in your mind, and let me see what the cards have in store for you. So for all the people who have picked the green stone, okay, so you need to trust the situation, and your answer is a yes. I do feel that it's a yes, but at the same time, I feel that there are two things that you need to be careful of. First, if this involves another person, a water sign, could be a Cancer, Pisces, or a Scorpio. You could be a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. I do feel that they may be a little impulsive. They may say something, but they may not mean it. So for instance, if this is regarding a love relationship, for some of you, this could involve a person who expresses their interest at one point of time, but they don't always stick around to show you how much you mean. So they are very passionate in the beginning, but it fizzles out quickly. So I'm getting the sense that you need to have patience, and you need to take things slow to get full benefits from this whatever question, whatever situation you were thinking of. But your answer is a yes. Your second card also tells me that there is a very there's a strong need for you to be very patient. I do feel that some of you are being very impatient, and a lot of you, when you ask the yes no question, it could have been to do with time. Maybe you thought of a time frame in your mind that will this happen within X months, or within by this month or something. I do feel this is a card which is a Sagittarian card. So this denotes November end to December 22nd, November 22nd to December 22nd. So something around December may come to fruition for you. Alternatively, even if it's not, the timeline doesn't match, I do feel that this card is asking you to be more patient and to not rush into anything, because the energy of this card tells me that this is something which you just plunge into, and you may not be you have to be careful, because if you just plunge into something, sometimes they don't last in the long run. So if you want some long term results, your answer is a yes, but it requires patience. So whatever it is that you want, whatever situation or question you had in your mind when you picked the light blue stone, I do feel that it's a yes, but it's going to take some time to come to you. So I do feel that it's a yes. And let me pull out a guidance card for you to see what guidance I have for you. Okay, your card is wonders. So there are a lot of wonders coming your way, this is a very nice card. I'm also getting the energy that some of you are very focused on a particular dream of yours, regarding which you ask a yes no question, but this card could be asking you to focus on other wonders that are entering your life. So if you're very focused on work, maybe something amazing is about to happen in your love life, or vice versa. So do keep your eyes open for anything else that comes, and I do feel that something very wonderful will happen. However, you need to have a lot of patience. Don't give up hope. Don't just let go of something just because you don't see results yet. In fact, a couple of days back, I put an Instagram post on this card called Chopping Wood, which basically says that sometimes you need to let go of a dream, and just give it breathing space and time for it to manifest into something bigger. And you don't always have to keep visualizing or just keep stressing yourself. And I feel that detachment is a very big part, and for some reason, for all the people who picked this light green stone, I do feel that you need to detach from a dream of yours, because I do feel that some wonders are coming your way, and whatever it is that you want is coming. Whatever yes no question, whatever you thought of is coming your way, but you need to have some patience. Do let me know if this resonated with you in any form, anything. It really encourages me to know what you guys are thinking. Do let me know. Do keep the conversation live. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you comment and if you subscribe to my channel, you stand to win a free mini one card pull in my next video. Thank you so much.